Michelle here from Strawberry, and today I'm going to show you some of the things that I got for free by walking around vendor booths at the teacher convention that I go to every year. It's a technology teacher convention. So first of all, you get a lot of bags. A lot of the different booths will be passing out bags to people and in different sizes. They actually had a Cricut booth where you made your bag. You put your design on it yourself on this little pencil pack. I thought that was really cute. There was a booth, and I'm debating these because these books are too big to fit in the shoe boxes, so I will probably donate these locally. But these books, it's really cool. They have scan them, and it's like you get another book like read to you and stuff. I don't know. It's kind of technology innovated. Stickers, a hat, a t-shirt. When I'm walking past the vendor booths and they have a whole bunch of maybe different things to pick from, if they have the squishies, I usually try to grab the squishies. So I've got a football, and I have an apple, and I have a fish, and just a regular ball, and there's another football, and a heart. So I love being able to get those and adding those to shoe boxes. Of course, you always can get lots of pens and pencils. So all of these were from vendor booths, and I just really love these cute little ones where it's like a person with hair. I think those are adorable, just to add as an extra special pen in a shoebox. Got a toothbrush, a lanyard, some chapstick, and a whole bunch of stickers. I think that one might be a magnet. Anyway, those are some of the things that you can look for when you are at a convention that is giving away freebies to the participants, and as you're walking through the vendor booths, be on the lookout. There were other things that they were giving away that I thought, those wouldn't be as good in a shoebox. Like, some of the booths had candy and stuff. And, well, you know, if I had a sweet tooth, yeah, I picked up a piece of candy and just ate it right then. But as I was looking specifically for things that I might be able to add to my shoe boxes, I was looking for things I thought kids would like. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Toodles!